Good news is you got this one chum who's already dead. And he'd be honored to join you on a wild suicide run. You, me, and Arasaka Tower. Kinda sounds like a Eurodyne lyric, I know, but trust me, we'll go fucking Nova.
Falling to my grave, gun in hand and on fire. Not drag anyone down with me.
Huh. You just discovered what it takes to become a legend. Grab your iron. Let's mobilize. Time to party like it's 2023.
We wish you a pleasant day.
Careful. This is their house. Got a game plan. Before the first tower went up in smoke, labs were underground. Elevator swept them off. We have our access to.
Won't get out alive! Get acquired!
So far, so good.
Got it!
Netrunner Operations Control. Sounds like a good place to run a mega facility from.
We plug in your output there. See how she settles in.
I'd expect a very warm welcome down below if I were you.
Good. Before going out, it better be with fucking fireworks.
Gonna be an ambush, no doubt. Just focus. You're better than that. Brace yourself.
Fucking way! A single merc!
Sure hope your egg's output performs as advertised.
Look on my works, ye mighty, in despair.
Johnny Silverhand sends his regards.
Are you fucking with me now?
He's got a point, V. Shut up and finish him. Be done with it.
Took down Johnny's archenemy. Gotten good, I guess. Damn, it feels nice.